me get a beat, I kick it funky like feet. Let me get a beat, I beat, I get a kick it feet, like. Let me get a beat, I kick it funky like feet. Let me get a beat, I beat, I get a kick it feet, like. Let me get a beat, I kick it funky like feet. Let me get a beat, I beat, I get a kick it feet, like. Let me get a beat, I kick it funky.
Hi, my name is Zsolt Nemeth. I'm the CEO and founder of R6 Security. That we are proactive. Most of the security companies are in their heydays or their highest energy after you get breached. And that's not good because reacting to something, it's much harder and much less effective than actually preventing something. I usually talk to customers and I tell them that, just imagine like a bar fight, right? Or an MMA fight. The drunk guys are pretty hard to pin down. Why? Because they are moving randomly. You can't anticipate what they are doing and how or what they're gonna do. And that's exactly what we're doing. Most of cloud native security is chaos is in a chaos right now. Like it's herding cats along, I don't know, 5 continents. And we basically bring an order. So like we don't care where you are, whether you're on AWS, GCP, Azure, you name it, right? Or even if you're running a Kubernetes or some potatoes, right? Our system adapts, it deploys, it protects, basically across clouds, across continents. Basically, it's like a hydra, one brain, many bodies or many heads. We don't really pretend that, every if and then script is an AI, right? So we are using mostly machine learning and intelligence, not specifically AI. Building Phoenix was like, like assembling IKEA furniture in an earthquake while you are drunk or blindfolded. Our challenge was that the dev team was basically Europe based, so kind of the same time zone, but the sales and everything in the US. So that were like, I don't know, 6 to 9 hours time difference. But the real challenge was incorporating customer feedback and stress testing the whole system. Integration is smooth now. We built the system to that everybody can manage it who understands Kubernetes, and that's why our core product is something called an operator, so a Kubernetes operator, meaning like we are using Kubernetes API, but with some of our custom resources. Anyone smart enough to know that static security is dead. Mostly we are selling to CISOs, mostly we are selling to DevOps or head of DevOps. In terms of the AI use case, basically anyone who's using NVIDIA chips or GPUs or NVIDIA NIMs like inference microservices and have a target on their back. Our sweet spot is AI on the edge, right? So whenever you put your AI workloads on the edge. This is usually military right now, so like drones, laser cannons, where you don't have Starlink. They need to communicate each other. As for use cases where we see like something really dodgy, one of our big, let's say, design partners, it's one of the top 5 companies in the world. They are seeing attacks or attackers that are moving much faster than before. Meaning, like even the attackers adopting at a much higher rate or much faster pace, indicating that those are like probably AI agents, bots, you name it. Probably agents is a good way for it. And I'm talking about not something happened 2 days ago, but like it was like probably 6, 7 months ago. So and it's not just like phishing and I don't know, creating a fake identities or something like that, but or Nigerian Princess 2.0, but more like when an attacker wants to come into that from this door of the house, and if it finds locked or make an assessment that it takes too much time to open it, tries the window, tries that, and makes decision within milliseconds, which no real attacker can. So I think this should be especially in the era of AI or AI-based attackers or AI attackers that are using AI, where speed is everything and where you need to steal time. So like you need to basically slow those attackers down so that your AI defenses will be able to actually act. Which means like it has to be part of the system. So like whenever you set up a container or like an EKS on AWS, right? So like a Kubernetes environment on AWS, this has to come standard because if not, any kind of AI based attacks or any kind of smart attackers right now will eventually get in there.